Hi, my name's Amber Mosier, and I'm here today to talk to you about creating pages for your Schoolwires location. So, as you can see here on the screen, I am on a Knox County Schools Schoolwire page. In order to access my tools that will let me edit or change this page in any way, I have to go over to the Login option and choose Schoolwires. I log in with my Active Directory information. In order to make any changes or work in any way on your Schoolwires pages, you must first enter Site Manager. When Site Manager comes up, you'll see that it's visibly very different. It's more of a green and beige page where your actual public page is blue and white, and that helps you to discriminate between what you're working on your screen. When you want to add a page, all you have to do is go to the Current Pages category and click New Page. Now, there are lots of different pages you can add. You can add a calendar page. You can add a department homepage, which has already got some built-in formatting. You can add a file library page, which allows you to put lots of links to files and websites. You have to decide what kind of page will serve you best. I am going to choose a flex page, and a flex page is a very common, you can see here it's the default, it's a very common type of page that's used in Schoolwires because it is very flexible and will hold lots of different content. So I am going to add a flex page. Now I have to name my page. I'm going to name this Test for Schoolwires and click Save. Now, on my master list here at the very bottom, you can see that I've added the Test for Schoolwires page. Let's explore here for a minute and see what we can do with this page. When I click the Actions button, I see that I can edit the page. I can explore the page options. I can get a link, copy the page, move the page, delete the page, or set viewers. We'll talk about setting viewers in just a moment. I want to edit the page. Okay, here I am ready in a place to edit this page. All I have to do is click on this Flex Editor app, which has already been inserted for me. When I click here, I'm now at a page design place where I can start inserting things and putting things together. I can add some text. Oops. I can add photos. All I would have to do is browse to the photo that I'm interested in, add that in there, and then I hit choose my size, and this size is fine, and then I hit continue. I can size the image to my specifications. I'm going to shrink this down a bit because that would be quite large. And I'm going to click Insert. I do have to enter alternative text for accessibility reasons, so I'm going to say test image. And now you can see here it's accepted the text that I typed and the image that I inserted. I can also link this image to a website or a file if I want. All I would have to do is choose what I'm linking to, and then if I chose a website, for instance, I would paste the URL in here. So I have lots of options in terms of building my page. Once I've inserted all of the content that I want, I simply go over to Save. Now I can go back to my main screen in the Site Manager menu, and I can look down here and see that this page is still here and now holds the changes that I just made. Now, I said a moment ago we would talk about setting viewers. There are some pages you may have noticed on Schoolwires that are only viewable by staff members, while others are viewable by the public and everyone else. You can set those sorts of parameters for your page as well by following these instructions. So I'm going to go back. I clicked on the Test for Schoolwires page title, and it took me back to the home page here, or excuse me, not the home page, but the main page for this page that I just created. I'm going to go over here to Set Viewers, and I'm going to assign a group, and there we go. It tells me that All District is actually the correct name of that group, so I'm going to put that in there. Now I'm going to select All Staff and hit Add. Now it shows me here that only staff can see this page. If I wanted to add another group, I could look in the All District category. Maybe I only want students to see this page. I could select Students and hit Add, and now I've added another group. I'm going to remove both of these because I don't necessarily need limited viewers on this page. I just wanted to show you that and point out that it's available here on the main page for editing the Test for Schoolwires page. It's also available back on your home screen. Remember that Actions button that we accessed a few moments ago? I can set the viewers for the test page here as well. And again, it takes me right back to that interface that asks me to choose a group. And that's all there is to adding a page to your Schoolwires site. Thank you.